Well, hey there, flight junkies. Here's a little something out of the old nostalgic barn. And we had this donated to us this morning. A gentleman came all the way up from, where was it, South Carolina?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. And this guy, believe it or not, look at him, 83 years old. And he used to fly this, and he thought, you know what, if anybody would appreciate a bit of nostalgia, it would be us, and he's right. Because look at this thing. This is an old paraplane. This is one of the old ones. This is what they had before the powered parachutes, and one of the first ones. And it had opposing solo motors with opposing propellers. So the one shaft runs through the middle of this one, and that would drastically reduce the torque of this machine. But man, just to see it sitting here is pretty incredible. I think we're going to piece for piece take it apart and see if we can't do a full restoration on it. I'm not sure if I want to fly it, but we'd have to find a chute for it. This one might be a little ragged. I don't know. But wow. Hey, I just thought I'd share that with you. He drove all the way up from North Carolina last night and just wanted to give that to us. And we just might clean this thing down and get just piece for piece take it apart and see what happens with it. And see if we can get this thing running. Man, that's exciting to see. I flew one of these a long time ago, and I haven't seen one in a long time. Every now and then you see one pop up, but it's hard to believe that there's still, and you know what, we spun it, and wow, the compression on it is still there. Still got good compression. But anyways, I want to thank you for bringing that up to us, and hopefully he'll be the first one to try it out again once we get it restored. And you think he's going to do that? He's only 83, so I mean, he's got plenty of life left in him, as you can see.
I think I'd make it.
Well, brother, thank you so much for that, and that is a cool piece of nostalgia here. And we look forward to seeing if we can't get it running. That'll be kind of cool to see. So maybe we'll make another video when this thing gets all ripped down and taken apart, and then we can compare the two videos to see how far we've come. He's got the manuals and everything for it, so that'll be pretty exciting to see. All right. Welcome to Flight Junkies.